Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasra Abid from Khatija Qazi Ali Memorial Higher Secondary School. ये स्कूल एक वेलफेयर वेंचर है सुरजानी टाउन में जो 2014 में स्टार्ट हुआ और बस कोविड से थोड़ा पहले आई थिंक वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग इंट्रोड्यूस विद द फ्रैंकलिन कवे टीम जिन्होंने हमारे सिस्टर स्कूल बीकन लाइट एकेडमी को अप्रोच किया और साथ साथ हमें भी मौका मिला उनके साथ जुड़ने का. And I think the journey started off at a very slow pace because it was COVID, and we thought it was too much of literature to understand, and because it's a welfare venture and the students here come from the less privileged families, the students' English level is also not that very good. So ultimately the books are in English, so we had to do a lot of homework, how to teach that as a direct lesson, then how to integrate it. But I think in 2 years' time, we became very pro towards handling those books and meeting those things. The best part is, teachers को समझ में नहीं आ रहा होता है कि when they enter the class, what they have to talk about. कुछ out of the box thinking develop करनी होती है, कुछ बच्चों के अंदर skills, life skills डालनी होती हैं. I think Leader in Me gives all that opportunity for the teachers also to talk. ऐसा नहीं कि the schools like us don't train the teachers to be leaders, but Leader in Me gave the words. अब ज़बान मिल गई है हम सबको. अगर कोई टीम वर्क हो रहा है तो हम फ़ौरन बोल देते हैं थिंक विन मीटिंग्स में, बल्कि अगर मैं सुन नहीं रही होती हूँ टीचर्स की बात तो टीचर्स कह देते हैं मैम सीक फर्स्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड देन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. तो ये चीज़ें जो है ना वो हमारी लैंग्वेज बन गई हैं, एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट बिकॉज इट हैज़ लर्नड अस हाउ टू मेक अ पॉज. It has groomed us to be better teachers, and अभी मैं टीचर्स की ही बात कर रही हूँ तो let me come to students as well. जब स्टूडेंट्स को ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ट्रांसफ़र हुआ and when they started understanding कि Leader in Me is the program not for the teachers, not for just the school, but Teacher in Me is going to ultimately make the students leaders and change the community, and that aligns very much with our school's vision because we say that we have to groom the students not only for this school but also for this community around, for this country, for the whole in the large, for the whole world in the large. So I think Leader in Me much aligns with our vision. So I think वक्त के साथ Leader in Me has become part of the culture of the school, और बच्चे मज़े से इसको टेक इन करने लगे हैं, लीडरशिप रोल्स प्ले करने लगे हैं. हम लोगों ने भी इसको बहुत ही इंटीग्रेट कर दिया है बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, बहुत सारे हैबिट्स में, पर्सनल लाइफ में, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, स्कूल के अंदर, स्कूल के ऑफिस स्टाफ में, डोमेस्टिक स्टाफ में, हेल्पर्स में, पेरेंट्स में. अभी मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा स्लो ट्रेंड है अभी, बट दिस ईयर इज़ अ बिग टारगेट फॉर दैट एंड वी आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स इट इंशाल्लाह ताला. एंड पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो आई एम श्योर विल बी soon becoming a part of this project, though they are already, but still I feel they can do more. And inshallah, as we have entered core 3 now, it's going to be very challenging also, but क्योंकि we are taking very baby steps, slowly हम progress कर रहे हैं, तो inshallah अल्लाह ने चाहा तो very soon we will stand as the lighthouse school inshallah ta'ala. And the best learning part is that we are being assisted and supported by the whole team of Leader in Me group very well, and the appreciation and the motivation has taken us a long way, and I think we pass on that motivation to the team, to the students, to the families, and still there is more to learn, still there is more resilience to be brought in, still there is many though we are in core 3 private victory से public victory पे चले गए हम लोग, but still मुझे अभी भी लगता है कि we have to retrace and go back to the private victories again, retrace and go back to the public victories again, synergize more so that it becomes a sustainable project in our school. I think this is what I think. Thank you.